Presents! So I did a shoot a couple of months ago with this amazing brand called Pioneer Clothing. You can see me on their website. And they've just sent me a package for some of the things that I wore on the shoot. And I'm excited, so let's see. And at the end of the video, there's a special treat for you. Yeah, it was a really, really lovely shoot. Everyone there, the whole team were amazing. So they were a slow fashion brand, aiming to tackle all of the issues created by fast fashion. And their priorities are people, partnerships, and planet. Love that. And since, even though I'm a model, I studied biomedical science for my BSc and conservation for my master's. So doing conservation and taking care of the planet is something that has always meant everything to me ever since I was a child. So being able to combine two passions, modelling and conservation, oh, I love the box, is a dream. I love the box. Anything that's like matte black, I'm like, oh my gosh. Beautiful. So yeah, look, planet, people, partnerships. Thank you for choosing Pioneer Clothing. Your purchase helps our journey to lead the world, to rid it of fast fashion and make a positive impact on the planet. We hope you love your guilt-free threads as much as we do. Together we make a difference. Smile. Thank you. So I think I wore most of the different colours. They've got loads of different colours. They've got like blue, black, orange, pink, no, not pink, lilac. And I couldn't decide between the lilac and the blue because I love purple. Purple's my favourite colour. But everyone on the shoot said that blue was suiting me and it was giving fighter vibes. So I picked the blue. So I have to take a picture for my Instagram, one sec. I should have a blue sports bra, a black overcoat, which is this. The fabric is so soft, but it's really breathable. And it's got the thumb holes! I love a thumb hole. I don't know why, but yeah, it makes me feel like a ninja. And you can see there's some lining on the side. Nice details. A zip that goes all the way to the top. And it's got Pioneer on the back here. So yeah, I'm gonna put a picture of me wearing it in a corner until I can try it on in person. And I love the bags as well. Each thing comes in a bag. And then I should have a sports bra. Yay! Blue sports bra. And it's got a little bit of padding, just for a little bit of support, but not too much because you don't want a hugely padded bra when you're training. The cups can be removed. And again, the cute Pioneer on the back. Also say hi to my husband. And then I should have some blue leggings. I kind of wish I asked for blue shorts now just because the weather is 31 degrees today. I wanted to wear this to go training in the park. But there's no way I can wear leggings today. It's so hot. Some leggings. And it's got the little butt lift thing. I don't know what this is called. What's it called? I don't know. But yeah, seamless leggings. Nice and smooth. Oh, socks! I love their socks as well. The socks are so soft. I remember walking around on the shoot and being like, oh my god, it's so fluffy. I have black, white and blue, and then blue and white. Oh, I love them. And last but not least, something that I really, really love, and again, the packaging is beautiful. They have these water bottles that are made out of 90% recycled stainless steel. And it can keep things cold for, I think, 18 hours, is it? 18 hours for cold and 6 hours for hot. And they've done this in partnership with Ocean Bottle. And honestly, I love this concept so much. So the aim of Ocean Bottles is to prevent 7 billion plastic bottles from entering the sea by 2025. Each ocean bottle that you purchase funds the collection of, I think, 11.4 kilograms of plastic waste from the ocean. That's incredible! And that's the equivalent to 1,000 plastic bottles. So yeah, they've literally got tangible goals to meet. And the bottles have got a 10-year warranty. And if you download the app, every time you refill your water bottle at one of their designated refill spots, more plastic is collected from the ocean. So yeah, I just love everything about this, honestly. So buy one, please. So yeah, I'm trying to work with as many slow fashion brands as possible. And if they're sustainable and actually give back to the environment and the community in a positive way, that's bonus points. So yeah, I'm going to try them on. I want to go and train in the park, but as I said, there's no way I can wear long leggings and a black top today because it's literally 31 degrees. So I might just end up wearing the top and the socks, and then I can post the pictures of me wearing the other items here. But yeah, I do remember them being super cozy. I didn't want to take them off. So yeah, if you use the code India20, you can get 20% off your purchases. And I highly recommend, not only for the amazing design, comfort, quality, and the fact that it's a lovely company, but also the fact that it's saving the planet. And we all live here, so you should want to save the planet. But yeah, thank you to Pioneer Clothing.